Yo, what's going on, family? Uh, Welcome into the show. It's pretty late, and actually catching a flight in the morning, flying out of Austin, Texas. Just left an amazing event.
Yeah, dial. That looks cool. That's the Whitney collaboration I did. I don't know if you saw that, but we did 16 pieces, and that's the original one. So I kept it.
Um, all I can say is I met some amazing people. I saw some dope watches.
YouTube channel.
Cool.
What is your channel?
Trap Vision 3D.
Okay, cool.
And it was great, man. It was put on by minutes and hours, man. Shout out to my man Rich. Dude, you did again phenomenal show. Can't wait to see what you do in Chicago next year, and I'll keep you guys posted. But today I want to get into this piece right here, which is Canopy Watch Company. Now this watch is created by watch enthusiasts, so I know some of you guys absolutely love watches regardless of the brand. I know some of you guys stick to the same brand, but one thing we all have in common is we love our watches. So without further ado, this was actually featured on Random Rob's channel. Shameless plug. That's when I saw it first, and did an unboxing review. And keep in mind, when he did his first, when I first saw this initially, this watch was priced at just under $1,000. I'm gonna call it $1,000 because it was $9.99 or something like that. That's $1,000 because once you get taxes and everything. So this is the box it comes in, right? And this is crazy, all right? This right here sold me. Let me get this out the way. Piano black box. It's nuts. And each one of these watches are number limited. Now, as you can see, right, it's an empty spot. My number will actually go right here, which was being mailed out to me. They had these at the show, and I got number 65. But that box, before we even look at the watch, because I know some people are really caught up into like how the box is actually crafted. This thing pretty solid. Not like that, man. That's crazy. So yeah, they're mailing me out my certificate for this actual watch, which is, I picked out number 65. Almost got number 66, but there's still some available, and they have them in a different color. But I chose the all black DLC coated. Yeah. So now, one thing, because I am hotel light right now, I don't have my normal lights that I have at home. But even if I did, I may not. Oh, let's see if we can get a close up of this watch. Let's see if it'll show through, because there's a feature. Can you guys see? Look at the 50. Focus your eyes on the 50, right? So you get 40, 45, which is an arrow. You see that distortion? That's actually carbon that is in the bezel. Forged carbon. And then of course you have the black DLC plating, and I still have all the little plastic wraps and stuff on it. You have the canopy, and then you have the signed crown. So now, I did see this earlier. I like that. Now this watch has been reviewed on a number of channels. I jumped in line with this, man. There were so many watches to choose from, different price points, but you know, for what you have in this watch, which I'll do a full review on this watch, and I'll leave a description to this watch down in the description, or information on this watch down in the description. That's what I meant to say. Of course, got the sapphire crystal, but this mine has plastic. Hold on, let me get some of this stuff off, because I'm about the size of it. Come off. All right, here we go. Man, I always struggle when it comes to plat. Oh my gosh, they got this thing on there so well. There we go. Look at that. The dial, it has like sort of a matte finish to it. And again, I'm not in the correct light. I just wanted to unbox this and show you guys. And we will go live and I'll tell you what I thought of the event, what I thought of this company. Gave me some screwdrivers, black screwdrivers. Hold on, where is it at? Canopy. It's upside down, but y'all see it. It say Canopy, which is dope. So, hope you like it. Let me know. I'm pretty sure that I'll leave a link if you are wanting to get this watch. Just go down in the description, and they do have this a nice little system set up, and they'll tell you what numbers they have left. So, of course, you guys know number 1 and the last one of each colorway is gone already. I looked, but yeah, they have everything else. These things are running out fast, and I want to see what they come out with next because they are working on something else. I'm just curious. But anyway, enjoy.
I have to take moms up out of here and get her something to eat, but
Okay.
yeah, she was like, I'm hungry. I said, okay, yes, ma'am.
To the next lightning strike, family. Y'all be blessed.